we have done the equipment creation. So I will show you the background, what configuration required for that equipments. Okay, like how we can maintain the equipment category, M for machine, how will be we can configure the view profile. So this is the consultant part. Okay, SAP reference IMG, plant maintenance customer service, master data, technical object, equipment. Okay, and here you will find equipment category. So maintain equipment category. Here you will see how many types categories of the equipment available in the system. Okay, so here you will find M for machine, medical device, description. Okay. So A means no alphanumeric number. C means change document. W means workflow event. Object information. It's used for PM or somewhere it's for service. View profile. So view profile means I will show you. So depend upon category or type of object, profile will change. So have you understand for fleet object we found the different view profile, different tabs. For PRT we found different tabs. For equipment as a machine we found different tabs. So all the tabs are depend upon that view profile. So you need to select here which view profile you need to assign to your equipment category. See, these are customer equipments. Some vehicles is there. Here somewhere employees have maintained IT equipments, vehicle, transmitter equipment. So basically this is sandbox. So it's not a standard, but in your company you will find some standard equipment categories and description and view profile. So if you think business requested you that they want the new category of the equipment, so you can update that category also. Let me see. I think almost alphabetically they have used. So all up to Z they have used. So we can like a new entry and you can update. A is not there. Okay. A. Okay. A is machine equipment category. So okay. So we category A will we use for what is your favorite machine?
Hydraulic press or mechanical.
Okay. So all presses. So A category will be used for all press machines. All press machine. Like this. Again, basically I will do one thing. I will copy. So all object information it will copy. Yes. So I will copy. A is there, I think. A is there. So let me. Okay, almost. I think say okay. We will do one thing. We will delete this C. Okay. And we can copy M. Copy. Maintain our entry as a Z. Okay. So okay, object equipment description. Press machine. Okay. So I can save. Okay. Entry mark for deletion. Okay, so we cannot use this. Like this, you can choose the entries to mark for deletion. Let me save it. Again, I will create. Yeah, right now I can create. Copy, change the description. Save. Machine equipment description. Okay. Okay. So view profile is MACH. So here you will find different view profiles are there. So if a business want to create a new profile, then you can create value and you can give new profile to that type of equipments category. So I will save this right now. Okay, data has been saved. So again, if we save this profile, how you can check to check the view profile? So how set view profile of technical object? We have already set. Okay, I will go back SPRO. Plan maintenance, master data in plan maintenance, technical object, general data, and set view profile for technical object. MACH. Okay, we will select here MACH and we will see how many views are there for equipment. See here, activity and layout. So I will do one thing. I will select MACH. See MACH. So just select MACH, click on activity and layout view. General, location. Okay. So for your understanding, I will open new screen. I think you will got little bit confused. So I will show you. Okay. Okay. This is our equipment. So general, location, organization, structure. Can you see that tabs? So
Yes.
where this configuration, from where this consultant will do this configuration from this. So, okay. Yeah. So general, location, organization, structure, additional data one, data to other. So just compare. So, okay. So again, we need to check. Okay, machine. So we'll do one thing. We can add a subscreen in the sequence and we can add the new tabs. So this is the role of consultant basically. So I will do one thing. I will make some changes here in that profile. Okay, just I want to know which profile we have selected. General. Okay. M machine. Okay, so I will go back. Okay, mechanical. Go back. No. Let me go to the equipment. Equipment. Equipment category. Maintain equipment category. Okay. MACH. So many MACH. Okay. We have created. Okay. We have checked for M. Okay. M for machine. We have selected M. Profile is MACH. Okay. So let me select MED and save it. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will not touch the standard. Let's see Z. Okay. Equipment category is Z. We have created. I will change for MACH for this, and I will update as a medical equipment, medical device, and I will save it. Okay. Okay. That got data what saved. So I will go back. Technical object here. MED. Okay. I will select the MED. I will click on layout. So you will got 10, 30, 60 and 100. Only that much views. Okay. So let's see. Let's try to create one equipment with category Z. /IE01 equipment category is Z. So just for training purpose. Okay. Okay, internal number is not allowed. Just a moment. I will select any other category. The medical equipment. I will select any other category. Medical equipment category. PSQ, MED. Okay, H. I will select as a H. Great equipment. Medical device H. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So first is general, second organization, third characters, fourth partner. So let's see. For MED, how many screens are there? MED, select MED. Just to go. See, general. So it's totally up to business. How many screens they want, on which profile. So basically, MED only will use pharma. So mechanical, no use. So business will not ask you to assign that view profile to this. You understand?
Okay, understood.
Okay. So this is the role of consultant to create the view profile. Okay. So we will do one thing. Right now, we will assign one new profile. Okay. We will define the new profile. So let's see.